Hello! Is this gone a week already? I believe it has. We have to make a winner. One of you is going to win one custom dice bag from, Dice Bag Lady. She's making whatever you want and I'm paying for it, and you will get to win it. So here is the list of the peoples that want a free bag from me and Dice Bag Lady, because she's making them. I'm just giving it. Okay, so I am original. I do all my things original. So I go to random.org. I have 22 contesters. Let's see, like that. Already, shaky cam. Let's generate a winner. Number 2 is the winner! Eric Bear. Nick, you are a winner. You are a winner! Dude, you got a free dice bag. Do whatever you want with them. Not, yeah, whatever. It's your bag now. I will contact you and see you. You are a winner.